So, what inspired you to start this farmers market?
Yeah, so my business was doing dry produce,
Hmm.
and everybody was asking for fresh. Where are the fresh vegetables? I would go to uh, retail stores and say, "Look, I have the farmers who can supply you." So they would say, "Yeah, okay, great. Here's a rack. Fill it up. But if it's not sold, we won't pay you for that." Now, no farmer wants to take that risk, and at that point, I was a young mother, uh, and I couldn't afford to do that. So it would keep getting postponed, and one fine day, it literally became I wanted it. Actually, everything started. Even my shop was started because farmers would not send me one kilo. So I had to order more. So it became like for the Mumbai family that the shop was created. In the same way, the market was created because I wanted vegetables, and then the farmers started to produce. But my main reason for the market is not the health of Mumbaiites, because we are all going to anyway die one day. It is also very much for the earth,
Hmm.
because otherwise, if you keep putting pesticides, in a few years your earth is acidic, and that's the end of it.
Right.
Unless you again regenerate it, which is a lot of trouble. It's also not just for the farmers. It's not just about earning. That also life goes on. If you do not support organicness, organic farmers, farming per se, then the children of those farmers are not going to want to become. They're all becoming engineers, doctors, and they're all smart.
Yeah.
So they're getting on marketing, they're doing whatever else except farming.
Farming.
So our main thing was that if they do not, the knowledge and wisdom that's coming down from generations
Hmm.
is going to be totally lost to us. And I'm not talking about us as in Mumbai or India, to the world.
World.
If young people from farming families do not want to become farmers, it is actually a very serious issue.
Hmm.
And nobody seems to think about it.
Right.
We need them to actually understand organic, understand naturalness, go into farming. So for me, if you do a farmer's market and the farmer gets all the revenue himself, then his children say, wow. And Bandra is such a great place to have a market because you have film stars, all kinds of famous people coming. And so the kids get enthused. So I have photographs of the farmers' children this big who have now got into farming.
Yeah.
So some are still studying agriculture, some are on the field, and it's wonderful to see how they've been enthused by the market.
By the market.
So that is the main reason. It's not just about our health or
Right.
yeah, it is. If we don't, that farmers are like scientists. The information they're holding,
Absolutely.